Today, I'll show you how to record your screen with audio on a Windows 11 PC. For this, we'll be using the inbuilt snipping tool on Windows 11. The snipping tool is not just for screenshots anymore. You can now use it to record your screen. And the best part is that it also captures your microphone and system audio. So, let's dive right in. First, if you don't see the record option on your snipping tool, you have to update it to the latest version. Open Microsoft Store. Search for Snipping Tool. If there is an update button, click on it to get the latest version. Now, launch the Snipping tool. Click the Record tab. Click on New to select the part of the screen you want to record. Drag your cursor to select the recording area. Once selected, a toolbar will appear at the top. You can enable the microphone option on the toolbar to record your microphone. You can also choose to record your system audio. When you are ready, hit the Start button to start recording. Now, perform the actions on your screen that you want to capture.
They have me pinned. Grenade out. Smoke. One left. Only one left. Terrorists.
When you are done, click Stop on the floating toolbar. After you stop the recording, the snipping tool will show a preview of what you recorded. And that's it. You have just recorded your screen with audio using the snipping tool on Windows 11. It's just that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.